Welcome back to Innovin Cake and Cookies. Today we are making a rich and nutty Badam Barfi or Peanut Barfi, full of flavor, energy, and that perfect homemade sweetness. Let's start the recipe. First take 1 cup roasted peanut, pour in blender. Peanuts were once called groundnuts and are actually legumes, not true nuts. In India, peanut sweets are especially popular during winter for instant warmth and energy. And blend coarse. Keep aside. Now take 10 to 12 soaked almond and 10 to 12 soaked cashew nuts. Add half cup milk. And blend into a smooth paste. Blend the dry fruit smooth but keep peanuts slightly coarse for texture. Keep it aside. Now heat 1 teaspoon ghee in a pan. Add 1 cup desiccated coconut. Add the blended peanut and cook on low heat for 2 to 3 minutes, stirring continuously. Coconut and peanuts together make a perfect combination of flavor and nutrition. Barfi originated from Persian cuisine and means snow for its melt-in-mouth texture. Now add the blended dry fruits. 1 cup sugar. 1.5 cup milk. Mix well. Keep stirring. Stir constantly while cooking to avoid burning. And cook until the mixture starts separating from the pan. Don't overcook. Once the mixture leaves the pan, turn off the heat immediately. Now grease a plate with oil and pour the mixture in. Spread well. Sprinkle some peanuts and desiccated coconut on top. Let it cool for about 1 hour. Then cut into pieces and serve your delicious Badam Barfi or Peanut Barfi. Peanuts are packed with protein and healthy fats for long-lasting energy. Almonds and cashews add heart-friendly nutrients. Coconut is rich in fiber and minerals. This homemade barfi contains natural ingredients, no preservative or artificial flavor. Your soft, nutty and creamy peanut barfi is ready, a perfect treat for every sweet craving. Try this easy recipe at home and let us know how it turned out. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to Innovin Cake and Cookies for more simple and delicious dessert ideas.